Lena enjoys crafting tiny blossom towers beside quiet ponds, while Lisa enjoys imagining fairy queens waving from the windows. Lisa loves pretending every rainbow leads to a hidden festival, while Lena loves drawing colorful maps to find it. Lena enjoys building miniature flower music stages, while Lisa enjoys imagining magical concerts beneath the stars. Lisa loves imagining friendly whales carrying glowing lanterns across the sea, while Lena loves sketching peaceful ocean sunsets. Lena enjoys designing tiny herb gardens around cozy cottages, while Lisa enjoys imagining magical recipes growing there. Lisa loves pretending every pine cone is a woodland treasure chest, while Lena loves decorating secret forest corners. Lena enjoys creating miniature tulip archways through enchanted gardens, while Lisa enjoys imagining joyful fairy parades passing beneath them. Lisa loves imagining crystal owls watching over moonlit forests, while Lena loves drawing peaceful nighttime scenery. Lena enjoys making tiny flower balconies with blooming vines, while Lisa enjoys imagining fairy friends sharing stories there. Lisa loves pretending every waterfall hides a sparkling surprise, while Lena loves painting magical mountain landscapes. Choose between Lena and Lisa, then tell us in the comments. Lena enjoys creating miniature daisy villages beside winding streams, while Lisa enjoys imagining magical celebrations filling every street. Lisa loves imagining enchanted seals surfing sparkling waves, while Lena loves sketching cheerful seaside adventures. Lena enjoys making tiny berry workshops filled with colorful crafts, while Lisa enjoys imagining fairy inventors creating wonderful surprises. Lisa loves pretending every blossom blooms with a smile, while Lena loves illustrating vibrant spring gardens. Lena enjoys building miniature sunflower cafes overlooking flower fields, while Lisa enjoys imagining woodland friends enjoying afternoon tea. Lisa loves imagining crystal sparrows discovering hidden valleys of flowers, while Lena loves drawing breathtaking countryside scenes. Lena enjoys creating tiny rose bridges decorated with ivy, while Lisa enjoys imagining magical journeys across them. Lisa loves pretending every dragonfly carries a tiny invitation, while Lena loves designing beautiful celebration cards. Lena enjoys making miniature flower museums filled with nature treasures, while Lisa enjoys imagining curious fairies exploring every room. Lisa loves imagining enchanted turtles swimming through glowing lily ponds, while Lena loves sketching peaceful waters. Choose between Lena and Lisa, then tell us in the comments. Lena enjoys creating tiny clover courtyards with flower fountains, while Lisa enjoys imagining neighbors gathering there every evening. Lisa loves pretending every cloud becomes a magical playground, while Lena loves drawing floating islands. Lena enjoys making miniature blossom bakeries beside lavender gardens, while Lisa enjoys imagining magical pastries fresh from the oven. Lisa loves imagining crystal foxes wandering through colorful autumn forests, while Lena loves sketching woodland adventures. Lena enjoys creating tiny flower train stations surrounded by tulips, while Lisa enjoys imagining magical trains arriving with smiling passengers. Lisa loves pretending every seashell whispers a happy story, while Lena loves illustrating sunny beaches. Lena enjoys making miniature orchid cottages beside sparkling brooks, while Lisa enjoys imagining peaceful fairy mornings. Lisa loves imagining enchanted hummingbirds gathering drops of rainbow light, while Lena loves drawing glowing flower fields. Lena enjoys creating tiny buttercup markets filled with handmade treasures, while Lisa enjoys imagining joyful shoppers. Lisa loves pretending every moonbeam lights a secret adventure, while Lena loves sketching magical evenings. Choose between Lena and Lisa, then tell us in the comments. Lena enjoys building tiny blossom observatories on gentle hills, while Lisa enjoys imagining magical constellations overhead. Lisa loves imagining crystal rabbits hopping through fields of golden flowers, while Lena loves drawing cheerful spring landscapes. Lena enjoys creating miniature flower playgrounds beneath giant mushrooms, while Lisa enjoys imagining fairy children laughing together. Lisa loves pretending every butterfly paints the sky with new colors, while Lena loves illustrating blooming gardens. Lena enjoys making tiny lavender libraries tucked inside old trees, while Lisa enjoys imagining magical books on every shelf. Lisa loves imagining enchanted robins decorating nests with shimmering petals, while Lena loves sketching peaceful treetops. Lena enjoys creating miniature daffodil cafes beside crystal lakes, while Lisa enjoys imagining relaxing afternoons with friends. Lisa loves pretending every pebble hides a tiny mystery, while Lena loves drawing treasure trails. Lena enjoys making tiny blossom villages beside waterfalls, while Lisa enjoys imagining fairy families living happily there. Lisa loves imagining crystal dolphins leaping beneath glowing rainbows, while Lena loves sketching sparkling oceans. Choose between Lena and Lisa, then tell us in the comments. Lena enjoys creating miniature sunflower theaters surrounded by flowers, while Lisa enjoys imagining magical performances every evening. Lisa loves pretending every breeze carries cheerful laughter, while Lena loves painting colorful meadows. Lena enjoys making tiny flower bridges across peaceful rivers, while Lisa enjoys imagining exciting adventures beyond them. Lisa loves imagining enchanted parrots planting tropical blossom gardens, while Lena loves drawing island landscapes. Lena enjoys creating miniature berry cottages hidden beneath blooming vines, while Lisa enjoys imagining cozy magical mornings. Lisa loves pretending every flower crown unlocks a new adventure, while Lena loves illustrating joyful celebrations. Lena enjoys making tiny rose workshops filled with colorful creations, while Lisa enjoys imagining fairy artists smiling proudly. Lisa loves imagining crystal deer resting beneath blooming cherry trees, while Lena loves sketching tranquil forests. Lena enjoys creating miniature clover villages surrounded by colorful hedges, while Lisa enjoys imagining kind neighbors sharing stories. Lisa loves pretending every rainbow reveals a magical kingdom, while Lena loves drawing beautiful castles. Choose between Lena and Lisa, then tell us in the comments. Lena enjoys making tiny blossom harbors beside crystal ponds,